Hey YouTube, this is Crash here. I got a package from Battle Boy Surplus. It's where Such Double Aught has all his shirts and whatnot. It's where he gets a lot of his stuff from. So, opening with my K-Bar K2. You can tell I use this at work all the time. Been a good knife. Here we go. Okay. Some newspaper. First off, got another Gladstone flag. Never have enough of these. I got one flying in front of my house, and I'll have this one probably for a backdrop. Pretty much all it. Got two shirts. Oops, sorry for the earthquake. Got a Infidel. It's always a good shirt to have. Really wear around town, wear to shooting and whatnot. Oop, there we go again. And I really like this one. I'll catch a lot of flack for this shirt, but I like it. Fight back, or fight crime, shoot back. I like that shirt. So that's what I got from Battle Boy Surplus. Really good prices. I got each one of these shirts for 14 bucks. I can't remember how much the flag was. Let me look. The invoice out here. It was $7.99 for the flag. So I mean that's really awesome. So anyway, that's what I got. This is Crash, and I'm out.